If you're dreaming of the perfect university life with tons of memories and lifelong friends, then the Castilian Austin is the best place for you. These gorgeous 1 and 2 bedroom apartments are furnished with XL-sized beds for dreamy sleeps, dedicated study spaces, tons of storage options, and a well-equipped kitchen with in-unit laundry facilities, sprinkler system, and housekeeping services. Experience unparalleled convenience. There's no surprise bills, essential utilities are all inclusive. Smash intense workouts at the state-of-the-art fitness centre, open 24/7, and crush assignments at the 24-hour Academic Success Centre with iMacs and PCs ready to roll, and the group and private study lounges. Feel extra secure with controlled building access, individually locking bedroom doors, and a courtesy patrol officer. When the University of Texas at Austin and Austin Community College are just a stroll away, your timely arrival to class is inevitable. For seamless travel around the city, just hop on a bus from UT West Mall Station or UT Dean Keaton. So hurry and grab your spot at the Castilian Austin today via amberstudent.com.